Hey friends, if you encounter a CDpusersvc failed to read description error code 15100, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So the first solution is, the only solution is to activate this service, and you may or may not find it in the service manager, but still we'll check for it. Okay, the CDP user service, I think we don't have it. If we don't have it, we will enable it using the command prompt window. So no, I don't think we have it. So here's what we can do. Press search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator, paste it here and hit enter. Now it says success, change service config. It has been changed, and now it is activated, and the problem will be solved now. Just restart your computer if it doesn't work. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.